For my final new technology, I was going to show how I have been using Pixlr for photo editing. And I have a lot of photos uploaded in Canvas, and they're photos I've taken myself, but for that reason I was needing something to edit them, and in this case, for example, to label that they are looking at a thrombocyte, or a segmented neutrophil, or a lymphocyte, or a normal red blood cell. Okay? And I use this for the adapter that I put on my cell phone camera that hooks up directly to the ocular, and the purpose of this is to get my students more familiar with cellular morphology. That is the biggest part of hematology itself. It's a new way for students to look at things, and I have students that want to send pictures all the time. They'll take a picture of, they don't have the adapter, but they can still fit the phone and get it to look in the ocular, which I haven't been able to do that. That's why I bought the adapter. But when we have these pictures, we need to be able to edit them. So I have them use Pixlr for photo editing. So when they submit a picture, or when I submit a picture, when we get something abnormal, we'll put it in there, and we'll let everybody guess, and then we'll put it in the library with the editor, so it's there forever. And I think that's a really good way of building our resources. The students are going to be able to see new things they might not encounter. If you're at a larger hospital, you may not see as many abnormal cells as you would. And it just depends on your clinical situation. So my target audience for this particular app is my second-year MLT students. When they're in their clinicals, I want them to be learning, labeling, and describing, and also giving patient history. So this is a good way to do that. The standards here have standards for educators 4C, and standards for students 6C. And this is just really a great way for us to share our experiences.